Hi, my amazing planner people. This is Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have my November kit lineup for you guys, including my monthly kit and all of the weeks thereafter. So I'm going to go ahead and stack these ones up. These are my weekly kits, and we'll go over the monthly kit first. This kit in particular kind of has a like at the Thanksgiving table feel to me, and I just thought it was really nice. It's foiled in rose gold. I think most of her monthlies are foiled in rose gold, so if you want to buy other things to go with them in future months, just know that that's a thing. These two are our top banners, which I think are going to be amazing. I'm kind of playing with the idea of putting something in this space that I'm grateful for, but we'll see. And then down here at the bottom, we have these full boxes that are the empty boxes before or after the month ends. Then we have this, whoops, that was upside down. Then we have this page, which gives you all of your functional boxes. They're really pretty. And then you also have a little bit of deco in the corner and these full boxes as well that you can use wherever it's needed. Then we have our layering piece. So this gives you a variety of colored boxes to layer icons and such on. So you have octagons and arrows, flags, corners, another arrow, some circles, and of course you have the foiled elements in the middle, which are easy for you guys to see. And then you have, of course, your dates at the top, which I love her dates. They're so pretty. So there's that. And then you get to pick between a decorative sidebar or a functional sidebar. I always pick the functional because I tend to use it. So there's that. It also comes with all of these, which are, your days of the week, so you can put them on there in any order. Your paydays, your day offs, this month, next month, important, to-dos, home, goals, November, and then it usually has any kind of holidays, and then you have icons. So the one thing I will say about this kit is, Sadies Stickers just reformatted her sticker kits, including her monthly. So it will look different from this starting, I think, in January. And instead of getting all the icons here, you get a full page of scripts. The sidebar, I believe, is on the page with different items, and I think you get more functional boxes. So just keep that in mind going forward. I also picked up her weekly deco kit because I felt like the monthly is a little harder for me to use. I'm thinking I should have picked up two, but she's fixed this in the reformat. So instead of having a deco sheet that's, deco on the top and boxes on the bottom, she's actually split it. So you get a full page of the deco and a full page of the boxes. This is an add-on element though. Just be aware of that. And she also has given a new paper option, so you can get it on the white paper or on a clear matte, I believe it is. So that's kind of my monthly kit. I did pull out the Simply Gilded washi, which I'm thinking might go with it, but we're going to have to kind of test. So it might be a little bit too dark is my only concern. So, but this is from Simply Gilded and one of her pumpkin releases. All right, now let's get into these weekly ones, which I'm so excited to use these ones. They're so pretty. So the first one here is from Harriet Wright Designs. It does come with a free deco sheet, which is what this is, which is really, really cute. I love all the little leaves. Oh, I have it out of order. Sorry, guys. There we go. Here are all your beautiful decorative boxes. I especially love this little fox in the corner. And if you look really closely, you know how it's kind of got that fuzzy border at the back? Those are actually flowers on there, and it's so pretty. And then I love this box because it's kind of like you're traveling, because we all travel during the month of November and do special things with our family. I love this box with the autumn I've been waiting for you, because autumn is my absolute favorite month. I adore fall. So, and I just love the overall colors that she used in this. It's neutral, but it's still got that pop of color. It is foiled in rose gold. And then we have our functional boxes here. I love that we get these square ones at the top, and also she just added in these swatches at the bottom, with her reformat just a few months ago. Now, these I found are really useful for layering on boxes like this, where if I were to write straight on that box, you wouldn't see it. But if you layer one of these swatches on it, totally works. You also have your habit trackers up here. And then these are your headers right here. So you get bows, you get the floral one, and then this is just a neutral with like foiled dots. Maybe confetti? Should we call it confetti? And then you have your days of the week box, which I usually use for menu planning. You have a bow checkbox and then another decorative box here. And then you have your icons here in this teardrop shape, and then you have layering elements down here below. So the one thing, I brought this up last time I used one of her kits too, is I'm having a little bit of a problem with sizing here, just because they're so close in size that it's hard for me to layer them, but it may just be a style thing. Her pages are incredibly thick, by the way. You have your days of the week here. You have 2 strips of washi to choose from for your bottom or top washi, whatever. One of them has a wood grain. The other one has this really cute pattern with boots and pumpkins and leaves. And there's also foil in there. There's a little heart on top of the pumpkins, which is super cute. It's a nice little detail. And then you have these half circle boxes. These work great for layering like the month and stuff up in the corner. And then we have 2 of the 5mm washis with scalloped edges. And then we have 8 of the bow checklist. So I love this kit. I think it's going to be super fun. This is a kit that I haven't pulled out a washi for. I think the rest of them I did. Simply because I'm trying to use my washi more, because I have so much of it. I might as well use it, right? So this is for the week of November 1st through the 7th. Next, we have the week of the 8th through the 14th, which I'm planning on using this Simply Gilded kit. This was part of her pre-order, and it's just beautiful. So I love the kind of purpley red combination here, and also rose gold. Evidently, I should have bought more accents in rose gold. But I love the Stay Wild down here, and it says fall breeze and autumn leaves, which is super cute. This is also a reformat if you missed that. So you get 9 full boxes, and then you have headers down here at the bottom. These are all of your days of the week. So you get 4 different ones to choose from, or you can make this kit last over a month, whatever works for you. And then you have 4 half boxes down here at the bottom. You have some headers here on the side that say things like meeting, appointment, important, goal, shopping list, meal plan, to clean, and to do. Then we have more functional boxes here. So you're getting 10 of these half boxes total. Then you have 9 of these quarter boxes up here. These are all headers as well. You have some bow checklist here. You have a couple more of the headers. So you have family, gratitude, work, and then this is a habit tracker, but it's just the like Monday through Sunday portion of it. So you would need to combine it with something else to make it a true habit tracker. And then this page, you have lots of heart and bow checklist. You have these page flags. You have these ones as well. A little bit of deco, some decorative headers, some more icons, and some bows. So it's going to be a really fun kit to experiment with and play around with. It did also come with, well, okay, I bought it separate, but in the same release, they had this washi, which is, let me see if I can pull it out here so you guys can really see. Maybe. Hold on. I almost got it. Really? Okay, there we go. So it's got the same pattern there on it. I'm not sure if it's going to be too much, but it is really cute. I have a couple of other washies I could pull in if I choose to. So there is week 2 on to week 3. So I did pick this up in I think it was a glitch bag or something from The Giving Girl, and it's called Caramel. And I think I have almost the whole kit or the whole kit. I'm not sure. Anyhow, so you have your decorative boxes here, and I like the colors, and I love these little stains. Even though I don't love them on like my coffee table and stuff, I thought it was really cute in this layout and the dripping here. So we have this page. You do have some functional icons here at the bottom. It kind of looks like they did not get cut. So maybe that was the glitch on this. I'm not sure. Then you have a page of functional boxes, which is really pretty. I especially love this row and all of these here. I mean, it's just a lot of really beautiful boxes with just a touch of foil to them. Then I also have this page, which gives you your bow checklist, some icons. I love these little flags with things. They're absolutely totally useful. And then we have layering elements and that kind of thing up here, some boxes and a half scalloped box here, and habit tracker, your days of the week. And I believe these are headers here. So in addition to that, when I got this, I also managed to get the deco for it, which I've used 2 boxes off this sheet, and I've used 1 feather off of this one, but this is the deco that coordinates with it. And then this was just extra boxes, and I did start swatching out some different washies to try and decide what was going to work with this. So here's what I'm thinking. I think this washi is going to go really well with it because it's kind of got most of those tones. It's got a rose gold stripe on it, so that's my thought. This one also matches really well. It's got little moons on it. It's, I believe, no, it's not perforated. Sorry. I almost said it was perforated. I'm debating on this one because it is days of the week, but it's gold. So I'm not sure. I might end up pulling in some other days of the week to do that, but that's kind of where that kit is going. And that's week 3, the 15th through the 21st. And then we have Thanksgiving week, which I also got this in a glitch bag. It's from Crafts by Thaowie, and I absolutely adore this kit. It is so, so beautiful. I love the Thankful, Blessed, Grateful box. I love this gather and the table setting and the kitchen. It's just all really beautiful. And then you get 2 page flags down here, and well, actually 4. 2 bigger ones and 2 smaller ones with the leaves. And then I have this page of functional boxes, which is really, really awesome. And then I have a checklist over here, some layering icons, more page flags, super useful. And then I have the page that has all of the days of the week and your bottom washi and these decorative headers as well. So I think this kit would be fine on its own, but because we have this black and white check pattern in here, I'm going to go ahead and try and pull in these washies from Simply Gilded because I think they're going to be amazing with it. So this one is just a simple check pattern, or buffalo plaid. Do they call it buffalo plaid? I think it's buffalo plaid. Anyhow, and it has just a simple gold stripe across it. And then these 2 have pumpkins on them. The bigger one just has pumpkins, and I think it's adorable. And then this one has pumpkins interspersed with bows. So I think they're both going to work really well, and it's just going to depend on spacing. But I will most likely use this washi here as well. So that's my kit lineup for November. I hope this inspires you to pick out your own kits this month, and let me know what you pick. So until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.